The Mass Edit tool now goes beyond simple updates. You can now create new objects and revise existing ones directly through the same workflow. When creating new objects, you can let the system generate the ID automatically by using an asterisk, or type in your own ID if you prefer. For revisions, an exclamation mark tells the system to use the next available revision. Once your import sheet is ready, upload it to the Import Files section. This is where all incoming data is collected before it's processed. The validation step automatically checks that all the data is in the correct format, so you can catch any issues before running the import itself. If the validation fails, you can download a log file that shows exactly what went wrong. And when it passes, just hit the Apply and the system creates the new items based on your import sheet.